Application. It means a software programmed for a specific task. For example, which app do you use for studying? I use a simple learning app. Browser. It is a tool to access websites. For example, which browser do you use mostly? I usually use ABC. Download. To get files from the internet is known as download. For example, did you download the notes? Yes, I saved them yesterday. Upload. To send files to the internet is known as upload. For example, did you upload your new video? Yes, it's live now. Storage. It means space to save data. For example, is your phone storage full? Yes, I need to clear some files. Backup. It is an extra copy of data. For example, did you take a backup of your photos? Yes, I saved them online. Cloud. An online storage space is known as cloud. For example, did you use cloud storage? Yes, it keeps my files safe. Encryption. Coding data for protection is known as encryption. For example, are your files encrypted? Yes, my files are encrypted. Malware. It is a harmful software. For example, did malware affect your phone? Yes, but I removed it quickly. Antivirus. A software that removes malware is known as antivirus. For example, do you use any antivirus? Yes, a basic one. Interface. The way you interact with technology is known as interface. For example, is the new app interface simple? Yes, it's very user friendly. Update. It is a new version of a software. For example, did you install the update? Yes, it fixed some bugs. Bandwidth. It means a data capacity of internet. For example, is your bandwidth enough for video calls? Yes, it works smoothly. Notification. Alert from apps is known as notification. For example, Do you get too many notifications? Yes, they disturb me sometimes. Streaming. Watching online without downloading is known as streaming. For example, do you enjoy streaming movies? Yes, almost every weekend. Resolution. Sharpness of an image is known as resolution. For example, is the video resolution high? Yes, it looks very clear. Spam. It means unwanted messages. For example, do you get spam emails daily? Yes, I delete them immediately. Password. It is a secret code to access accounts. For example, did you change your password recently? Yes, for security reasons. Automation. Using technology to do tasks automatically is known as automation. For example, does automation save your time? Yes, it makes work much easier. Algorithm. It is a set of rules computers follow. For example, do you study about algorithms? Yes, they are interesting. Credentials. It means login details. For example, do you remember your credentials? Yes, I saved them securely. Login. It means entering an account. For example, are you able to log in now? Yes, the issue is resolved. Log out. It means exiting an account. For example, did you log out from the shared computer? Yes. Scan. It means to check or read digitally. For example, did you scan the QR code? Yes, the payment was successful. Screen time. It means time spent on devices. For example, is your screen time too high? Yes, I need a break. Digital payment. It means paying online. For example, do you prefer digital payment? Yes, it's quick and easy. Platform. A digital system or service is known as platform. For example, which platform do you upload videos on? I mainly use YouTube. Software. Programs used in a computer is known as software. For example, did you update your software today? Yes, I installed the new version. Hardware. It means physical parts of a computer. For example, did the technician check the hardware properly? Yes, everything was tested. Keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you for watching.